Welcome to Lunyal classes. Students, today we are going to do the MCQ questions of class 9 Geography chapter 2 Physical Features of India. In this video you will find 50 MCQ questions. Each question has 4 options in which one option is correct. If you have doubt in any question, please check only the NCERT book. Okay, let's start our video. Question 1. A landmass bounded by the sea on the three sides is referred to as option A, coast, B, island, C, peninsula, D, none of these. Correct option is C, peninsula. Question 2. Mountain ranges in the eastern part of India forming its boundary with Myanmar are collectively called as option A, Himachal, B, Purvanchal, C, Uttarakhand, D, none of these. Correct option is B, Purvanchal. Question 3. The western coastal strip south of Goa is referred to as option A, Coromandel, B, Konkan, C, Kannada, D, Nadan Sarkar. Correct option is B, Konkan. Question 4. The highest peak in the Eastern Ghat is option A, Anaimodi, B, Kanchenjunga, C, Khasi, D, Mahendragiri. Correct option is D, Mahendragiri. Question 5. How many major tectonic plates does the Earth's crust have? Option A, 7, B, 8, C, 3, D, 4. Correct option is A, 7. Question 6. What is the northernmost range of Himalaya known as? Option A, the Himachal, B, the Himadri, C, the Shivalik, D, none of these. Correct option is B, the Himadri. Question 7. What was the traditional name of the part of Himalaya lying between the Indus and the Satluj? Option A, Assam Himalaya, B, Kumaon Himalaya, C, Punjab Himalaya, D, Purvanchal. Correct option is C, Punjab Himalaya. Question 8. The narrow belt of the plain covered with the pebbles lying along the foothills of the Shivaliks from the Indus to the Teesta is called option A, Khadar belt, B, Bhangar belt, C, Bhabar belt, D, Tarai belt. Correct option is C, Bhabar belt. Question 9. Which belt is called the storehouse of minerals? Option A, Karbi Anglong Plateau, B, the Chota Nagpur Plateau, C, the Malwa Plateau, D, the Deccan Plateau. Correct option is B, the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Question 10. The black soil area of the peninsular plateau is known as option A, Deccan Trap, B, Deccan Plateau, C, Chota Nagpur, D, none of these. Correct option is A, Deccan Trap. Question 11. Which is the only river found in the Indian desert? Option A, Tapi, B, Satluj, C, Mahi, D, Luni. Correct option is D, Luni. Question 12. Where is the Great Barrier Reef found? Option A, Australia, B, Bangladesh, C, Nepal, D, India. Correct option is A, Australia. Question 13. What is the shape of the Barchan's sand dunes? Option A, square, B, crescent, C, circular, D, rectangular. Correct option is B, crescent. Question 14. Which is the largest salt or brackish water lake in India along the coast of Orissa? Option A, Chilka, B, Bhimtal, C, Sambhar, D, Wular. Correct option is A, Chilka. Question 15. Which is the largest inland saltwater lake in India? Option A, Chilka, B, Sambhar, C, Pushkar, D, Wular. Correct option is B, Sambhar. Question 16. The part of the Himalayas lying between the Satluj and Kali rivers is known as? Option A, Lesser Himalayas, B, Great Himalayas, C, Shivaliks, D, Kumaon Himalayas. Correct option is D, Kumaon Himalayas. Question 17. What are atolls? Option A, they are rectangular coral reefs. B, they are horseshoe-shaped coral reefs. C, these are triangular coral reefs. D, none of these. Correct option is B, they are horseshoe-shaped coral reefs. Question 18. The Kulu Valley lies in which state? Option A, Jammu and Kashmir, B, Himachal Pradesh, C, Uttarakhand, D, Rajasthan. Correct option is B, Himachal Pradesh. Question 19. Which is the oldest land mass of the Indian subcontinent and was part of the Gondwana land? Option A, the coastal plains, B, the Indian desert, C, the Himalayan region, D, the peninsular plateau. Correct option is D, the peninsular plateau. Question 20. Which part of the Himalaya is perennially snowbound? Option A, the Great Himalaya or Himadri, B, the Lesser Himalayas or Himachal, C, Shivaliks, D, Purvanchal. Correct option is A, the Great Himalaya or Himadri. Question 21. Which continent of today were part of the Gondwana land? Option A, Australia and South America, B, Asia and Africa, C. Europe and Asia, D. Europe and Africa. Correct option is A. Australia and South America. Question 22. Which of the following are Youngfold Mountains? Option A. The Aravallis, B. The Nilgiris, C. The Himalayas, D. The Sahyadris. Correct option is C. The Himalayas. Question 23. Which of the following is a plausible theory presented by earth scientists to explain the formation of continents and oceans and the various landforms? Option A. Theory of motion, B. Theory of plate tectonics, C. Theory of evolution, D. Theory of relativity. Correct option is B. Theory of plate tectonics. Question 24. Which of the following ranges are not part of the Lesser Himalayas or Himachal? Option A. Pir Panjal, B. Dholadhar, C. Mahabharat, D. Kamet. Correct option is D. Kamet. Question 25. Which of the following has not been a factor in the creation and modification of India's relief features? Option A. Geological formations, B. Population density, C. Weathering, D. Erosion and deposition. Correct option is B. Population density. Question 26. According to the theory of plate tectonics, when some plates come towards each other and they form option A. Convergent boundary, B. Divergent boundary, C. Transform boundary, D. Colliding boundary. Correct option is A. Convergent boundary. Question 27. According to the theory of plate tectonics, the movement of the plates result in some geological activity. Which one of the following is not such a geological activity? Option A. Volcanic activity, B. Folding, C. Faulting, D. Glaciation. Correct option is D. Glaciation. Question 28. According to the theory of plate tectonics, when some plates moves away from each other and they form option A. Convergent boundary, B. Divergent boundary, C. Transform boundary, D. Colliding boundary. Correct option is B. Divergent boundary. Question 29. Which of the following boundary is not formed by the plate movements? Option A. Divergent boundary, B. Transform boundary, C. Convergent boundary, D. Physical boundary. Correct option is D. Physical boundary. Question 30. Which of the following ranges of the Himalayas are composed of unconsolidated sediments brought down by rivers? Option A. The Pir Panjal range, B. The Karakoram range, C. The Shivalik range, D. The Ladakh range. Correct option is C. The Shivalik range. Question 31. A narrow opening in a mountain range which provides access through the mountain is option A. Strait, B. Valley, C. Passes, D. None of them. Correct option is C. Passes. Question 32. Shipikila, Bhor, Nathula and Pal are. Option A. Peaks. B. Passes. C. Ranges. D. All of the above. Correct option is B. Passes. Question 33. Which of the following physiographic division of India was formed out of accumulation in the Tethys geosyncline? Option A. The Himalayas. B. The Northern Plains. C. The Peninsular Plateau. D. The Indian Desert. Correct option is A. The Himalayas. Question 34. The wet and swampy belt of the northern region is known locally as. Option A. Bhabar. B. Terai. C. Doab. D. Bhangar. Correct option is B. Terai. Question 35. Which island of India are called Coral Island? Option A. Lakshadweep. B. Andaman and Nicobar. C. Both. D. None of these. Correct option is A. Lakshadweep. Question 36. Which two hills are located in the southeast of the Eastern Ghat? Option A. Mizo Hill and Naga Hills. B. Javedi Hills and Shevaroy Hills. C. Patkoi Hills and Manipuri Hills. D. Mizo Hills and Patkoi Hills. Correct option is B. Javedi Hills and Shevaroy Hills. Question 37. The longitudinal valleys lying between Lesser Himalaya and Shivaliks are known as. Option A. Kangra Valley. B. The Himachal. C. The Shivaliks. D. The Dunes. Correct option is D. The Dunes. Question 38. The Himalayan uplift out of the Tethys Sea and subsidence of northern flank of the peninsular plateau resulted in the formation of a large basin. Which of the following physical division of India was formed due to filling up of this depression? Option A. The Himalayas. B. The Northern Plains. C. Peninsular Plateau. D. The Coastal Plain. Correct option is B. The Northern Plains. Question 39. According to the theory of plate tectonics, in the event of two plates coming together, which of the following is not possible? Option A. The plates may collide and crumble. B. The plates may move horizontally passes each other. Option C. The plates may form divergent boundary. D. One plate may slide under the other. Correct option is C. The plates may form divergent boundary. Question 40. The Loktak Lake is situated in the state of. Option A. Meghalaya. B. Nagaland. C. Mizoram. D. Manipur. Correct option is Manipur. Question 41. Karbi Anglong Plateau is an extension of. Option A. The Shivaliks. B. The Peninsular Plateau. C. The Eastern Hills. D. None of these. Correct option is B. The Peninsular Plateau. Question 42. Which coast become the sandwich between the Western Ghat and the Arabian Sea? Option A, Deccan Plateau. B, the Western Coast. C, the Eastern Coast. D, none of these. Correct option is B, the Western Coast. Question 43. Lasadiv, Minicoy and Amindiv was the oldest name of which island? Option A, Malabar Coast. B, Lakshadweep. C, Andaman. D, Nicobar. Correct option is B, Lakshadweep. Question 44. Which island is uninhabited, has a bird sanctuary? Option A, Piti Island. B, Kavarati Island. C, Port Blair. D, Bay of Bengal. Correct option is Piti Island. Question 45. Which landform is called the granaries of the country? Option A, Northern Plains. B, Mountains. C, Coastal Plains. D, Deccan Plateau. Correct option is A, Northern Plains. Question 46. India's only active volcano is found on dash in Andaman and Nicobar group of island. Option A, Lakshadweep Island. B, Barren Island. C, Snowbound Island. D, Konkan Coast. Correct option is B, Barren Island. Question 47. Dash in the Brahmaputra river is the largest inhabited riverine in the world. Option A, Kavarati. B, Jhelum. C, Majuli. D, Byas. Correct option is C, Majuli. Question 48. Gondwana land was located in the option A, southern part of the ancient supercontinent Pangaea. B, northern part of the ancient supercontinent Pangaea. C, Indo-Australian plate. D, Eurasian plate. Correct option is A, southern part of the ancient supercontinent Pangaea. Question 49. The newer, younger deposit of floodplains are called. Option A, newest landmass. B, Bhangar. C, Khadar. D, tributaries. Correct option is C, Khadar. Question 50. The Central Highlands are dash in the west and dash in the east. Option A, wider in the west and narrower in the east. B, narrower in the west and wider in the east. C, rounded in the west and flat in the east. D, none of the above. Correct option is A, wider in the west and narrower in the east. If you like this video, please like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.